Okay, and then really quick, I want to go over how to go about altering a table via migration. So let's say we created our tasks table and we left off the description, right? We need to go back in and re-add that at a later point. So let's do node ace migration rollback to go back to having no database tables. And then let's go ahead and do node ace migration run so that we recreate the tables with our tasks table missing its description. Then we can confirm that by visiting it within a GUI and seeing there is no description column. And so now let's say our application's out in production. It already has values within this table. We need to go about altering the table and we can't roll back to the creation of our tasks table. We could go about adding in this new column by going into our terminal. Let's create a new migration. So node ace make migration, and I'll name this alter tasks add description. Go ahead and create that, making sure that you spelt node right. Okay, so we have our alter tasks add creation migration created. So we'll go into that, and it's going to assume that we want to create a table via the way that I made it, but in fact, that's not what we want to do, nor do we want to drop the table whenever we roll this back. So first and foremost, the table that we're going to be changing here is going to be our tasks table. So we'll change table name to that. Second here, what we're going to want to do is alter an existing table. So we're not going to want to create a table. So let's do this schema. And there's a method here called alter table. And just like the create table, this takes in the table name as the first argument. So we'll do this dot table name. And then the second argument is the table as well, just like create. However, instead of defining all of the columns that will exist on this table, all that we need to define are the columns that we want to create or alter. Just the same as creating, we could define this as table, text, description, nullable. And whenever we run this migration, then we'll alter the tasks table, adding in our description text column. Now, whenever we roll back these changes, the way that we would want to handle this is not by deleting out our tasks table, because in this instance, we're not creating the table, we're altering it. So what we would want to do is alter the table again so that it does not have the description column. And the reason why we want to do this is because if we don't, and we run this migration and we roll back, what Adonis will try to do is it will try to recreate this description column whenever we rerun this migration. And it already exists on the table, so we're going to get an error. So we definitely need to handle this within down. So the way that we would do this schema, alter table again, this dot table name. And really all that we need to do is the inverse. So we just do table dot drop column. And if you have an array of columns, you could call columns, but we just have this one. So we'll just pass in the column name that we want to drop here. And we should be good to go here. So now if we jump back into our terminal and we run node ace migration run, it should just run this single migration and it should alter our tasks table, adding in a description column. We can confirm that that worked by heading into our GUI, refreshing our tasks table, and you can see we got description tacked onto the end of this table here. So now we can confirm that our rollback is working appropriately as well by doing node ace migration rollback, and we'll just do this for a single batch, and that should just undo that single migration that we just ran. Jump back into our GUI, refresh, and you can see we lost that description column. So all of that seems to be working just fine. Okay, so now since we're in development here, we can go ahead and keep things nice and clean here by undoing essentially what we just did. So we've already rolled back to get rid of the descriptions column that we added via our new migration. Let's go ahead and just do node ace migration rollback batch 0 to undo all of the table migrations. And then we can just go ahead and delete this alter tasks table migration here and just decomment out our description so that we're back to the way that we were before. And then let's run node ace migration run so that we get all of our tables back in existence. And you can see our description is now back where it was before.